Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is combustion and flame, chapter number 6 in your course book. In the previous chapter we have studied about fuels such as coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, natural gas and LPG. Now when we burn this fuel, we get heat, we get light when we burn it. Now we use different kinds of fuels for various purposes at homes, in industries and for running automobiles. We already know that some substances burn and some do not burn at all. Some substances like candle and wood burn with a flame, whereas some substances like coal do not burn with flame. Now when we are talking about that when we burn a substance, it produces heat and light, we can understand it with the following examples. Here in this diagram or the photograph, you are seeing a magnesium ribbon is there and it is burning to produce heat and light. Now when we talk about magnesium, so it burns to form magnesium oxide and it produces heat and light. We can also perform another activity with the piece of charcoal. Here you can see when we hold a piece of charcoal with a pair of tongs and bring it near the flame of a burner, we find that charcoal burns in air producing heat and light. Here in this diagram you can see coal is burning, it is producing some light but not as much as it was produced by magnesium. Here you can see another example. A kerosene lamp is being burnt to produce light. So in this way we can see that when we burn something, it produces heat and light. So now we can say that a chemical process in which a substance burns in oxygen to give off heat and of course light in some cases is called combustion. Burning of magnesium and charcoal are examples of combustion since both give heat and light also on burning. Thus magnesium, charcoal, they are combustible in nature. It is not essential that light must be produced in combustion. Now substances could be combustible and non-combustible also. So first of all we will read about combustible substances. The substances that burn easily in air or oxygen to produce heat are called combustible substances, in some cases light also. For example, paper, cloth, cooking gas, CNG, kerosene oil, wood, charcoal, etc. You must have seen at your home also when your mother prepares food, she is using gas or wood also. Now, non-combustible substances, or we can also call them incombustible substances. So, the substances that do not burn in air, those are known as non-combustible substances. For example, stone, glass, cement, brick, water, sand. These substances, they do not burn at all. You must have not seen that we can cook food with the help of stone or glass or by burning these substances. Okay student, this is all for today and we will continue this chapter in the next video.